Today's video we are unboxing the May OK Beauty Box, so let's get her open. Hi there guys and welcome. So like I say, this is the May OK Beauty Box and yeah, I'm dying to get in here to see what it is. Again, it's another tiny little box. I take it this must be the new boxes that they've come out with, which means that no more big products. Not that we got many big products in any way, but this definitely rules them out now. But on here it just says that this box has been lovingly created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll discover a minimum of 5 products worth at least £80, all tried, tested and loved by our beauty experts. So this is £15 per month to subscribe. For your first month there is a code on their website, which is, I've wrote it down because my memory is disgusting, it's 67 beauty box. I will link that down below in the information box along with a link with this, and you'll get your box for £7.50, so half price, which is good. But this is inside the box. Let's have a look. Just says this edit is called Glow and Go edit. We have information on all the products there, which is fab, so we'll be looking at that throughout the video. We have some little vouchery things for the OK magazine, and there is a very quick sneak peek for you, but let's get to digging through to see exactly what we've got. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Mudmasky, and this is illuminating glowy blush drops in pink martini. Ooh, this is a full-size product. It's 15 mils and it has a value of £28. It just says this lightweight formulator creates a dewy glow that lasts up to 16 hours. Whether you use the drops as a blusher or a highlighter, you just can't go wrong. Fantastic. Blend into the apples of your cheeks for a natural flush, or tap onto the cheekbones for a subtle light-catching gleam. It's fragrance free, it gives the skin a silky feel and a beautiful sheen. Oh yeah, really happy to see a different product by Mudmasky in the beauty box. Absolutely over the moon with that. So let's have a look. I have to play with this. I do normally try and keep them sealed, but we need to play. So that is what it looks like. Oh yeah, isn't that really pretty? Oh yeah, that for me would be an amazing blush topper. I love it, absolutely love it, and it feels lovely and soft, and it really does feel silky on the skin. The second product in the box is this. I am not going to pronounce that. That is the name of the brand there. I will butcher that if I try and say what that is, but that's the name of the brand. And this is a restorative face and eye night cream. Ooh, this is 10ml travel size and it's got a value of £11. It just says, let this sensational cream get to work as you sleep. The luxurious formula will replenish, nourish and rejuvenate your complexion overnight. All you do is you soothe a fingertip size amount into clean skin, use gentle circular motions to massage in, ensuring the cream is fully absorbed for maximum benefits. Rose quartz boosts radiance, while mineral rich seawater balances skin, and niacinamide tackles enlarged pores, uneven skin tone and fine lines. That sounds amazing. I am going to leave this sealed because I have so much skincare on the go at the minute, it's insane. But yeah, that sounds very interesting indeed. I love a good overnight cream. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Paw and it is Your Gorgeous Skin Glowing Sheet Mask. So this has one mask in here and it has a value of £4.99, and it just says lie back and relax while this sheet mask revives your face. Dr. Paw's blend of 8 hyaluronic acids and papaya sinks into the skin to leave the skin smoother, fresher look. Hero papaya hyaluronic power is complemented by age-defying bok choy plus green tangerine for a juicy squeeze of vitamin C. Use once a week, apply to a clean face, relax for 15 minutes and then remove. Skin is left nourished, smooth and bright. Expect to see fine lines plumped out with radiance dialed up. Amazing. And again, so happy to get a different product by a brand we always see in all the beauty boxes, Dr. Pawpaw. Really glad to get something different by them, and I can't wait to use that. So the fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Formula, and this is a Power Active Vitamin C Serum. This is a full size 30ml, and it has a value of £34.90. And it just says no glow boosting skin regime is complete without great vitamin C serum. It contains a potent 12.5% absorbic acid for skin brightening, plus antioxidant plant extracts to help protect and soothe. And all you do is you warm 2 to 3 drops between your palms and soothe over the face, neck and décolletage area. Use morning and night on clean dry skin, then follow with a day or a night cream. This targets uneven skin tone, age spots, dullness. Vitamin C is teamed up with strengthening hydrators and common botanical extracts, making it suitable for twice daily use. Yeah, cool. I absolutely love this brand, Doctor's Formula. It is amazing, and I have tried this product before and I really like it. It's not harsh on the skin. I can have quite delicate, sensitive skin, and this hasn't irritated me in the past when I've used it. So yeah, really happy to get that again. I really like it. Just to show you what it looks like inside this, oh, they've changed the bottle a little bit, but yeah, that is what it looks like. I'm going to leave that sealed because I want that nice and fresh when I do use it, because I really do enjoy using it. So the fifth and final product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Murad, and it is Vita C Triple Exfoliating Facial. This is a travel size, which is 10ml, and it's worth £9.38. And it just says this is proven to give the same effects as a salon microdermabrasion, thanks to its gold standard form of vitamin C, plus a blend of 3 exfoliants. Massaging to clean damp skin 2 to 3 times a week. This formula shifts from an orange to a white to show when you have exfoliated enough. Rinse and follow with moisturiser. After 2 weeks of use, 87% of testers saw a brighter skin and 97% saw smoother skin. That sounds absolutely awesome, and I love the fact that it changes colour to let you know you're done, take it off, because I have a problem with over exfoliating so bad. So really like the sound of this. And hello guys, look at the brand, amazing brand. Yeah, really like the packaging, really cute. Yeah, can't wait to try that out. I absolutely love Murad as a brand. Cool. Right guys, so this is the May OK Beauty box, and the edit is called Glow and Go. What do you think? Personally, I do think this is an awesome box. I really like the products in this box. So we have a Murad product, fantastic. We have a Doctor's Formula product, amazing. And I am so happy to get a different product by Masky, amazing. And Dr. Pawpaw, a different product to try out from them too, because normally with them two brands, it's normally the same products that are going around in the boxes, which is meh. But yeah, excited about that. And the brand I'm not even going to try and pronounce because I will murder that name totally. Really happy to get that, to try that out, to see if it's any good. Love trying out new brands. But yeah, what do you think? Comment down below. Again, I will link this down below in the information box for you, along with that code, so you can get your first box half price for £7.50. But yeah, overall this gets a thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!